Hola a todas y a todos. Hi everyone and welcome to la clase de español. Today's lesson is called Me gustaría ir a. Me gustaría ir a, which means I would like to go to. Okay, so we know how to use me gusta, which is I like. So to express that wish, that desire, we add ia at the end. Like in Maria, you can think about my name, Maria, if you want to remember. So if you add that to gustar, you form that wish, that desire to go somewhere. Me gustaría ir a. So today you will learn some places in the city and you will learn how to say where you would like to go. ¿Estáis preparadas y preparados? Vamos. So this is the question today. Si pudieras, ¿a dónde te gustaría ir? Si pudieras, ¿a dónde te gustaría ir? If you could, in case you could, si pudieras, where would you like to go? So we are adding that ia to say would. That's why I have it in black in both of them, of the sentences. If you could, where would you like to go? So let's see how we can answer this question to say which places we would like to go. So these days we can't go out yet, but let's see in case you could, where you would like to go. So it's a very good opportunity to work on this form because it's wishes that we would like to do in case we could. It's the conditional form of the verb. Okay, me gustaría ir a, that means I would like to go to. So let's learn some places that we can add to that sentence. Bowling in Spanish is la bolera. Me gustaría ir a la bolera. Me gustaría ir a, ice rink es la pista de patinaje. Me gustaría ir a la pista de patinaje. I would like to go to the ice rink. Me gustaría ir a, so try to remember how to say park because it's an ER cognate and you might remember. The park is el parque. And now there is a small problem in this sentence. There is a grammar mistake. And the grammar mistake is that in Spanish, you can't have a plus el. If you have those two words together, you sort of put them together and they form al. So when we have something, when we have a word that is feminine, like la pista de patinaje or la bolera, we don't need to do any changes. But if the word that we are describing is masculine and we are using el, we need to put a plus el together, which makes al. Okay? Me gustaría ir al parque. I would like to go to the park. Me gustaría ir a, so shopping mall in Spanish is el centro comercial. And again, we have this grammar mistake that we need to correct. So please put together a plus el, which makes, muy bien, al. Me gustaría ir al centro comercial. I would actually love to go to the shopping mall. Me gustaría muchísimo ir al centro comercial. Me gustaría ir a, so sports center in Spanish is el polideportivo. So again, we have a masculine word with el, so we need to put together a plus el, which makes al. Perfecto. Me gustaría ir al polideportivo. Muy bien. Me gustaría ir a, so museum in Spanish, the museum is el museo. Me gustaría ir al museo. Perfecto. ¿Te gustaría ir al museo? So we are learning how to say I would like to go. But if you would like to invite somebody somewhere, you use the same sentence. Basically, you just need to change the pronoun. You are using the same verb. Gustaría. Me gustaría means I would like to. Te gustaría means you would like to. So you are using the you form to ask somebody out. ¿Te gustaría ir al museo? And you would answer sí. Me gustaría ir al museo. Or no, no me gustaría ir al museo. I hope that makes sense. So house in Spanish is mi casa. So if you're inviting somebody to go to your place, you would use ¿te gustaría ir a mi casa? And ir means to go. If you are inside the house, you have to use to come, which is venir. So you can use ir to go or venir to come. ¿Te gustaría venir a mi casa? Or ¿te gustaría ir a mi casa? And the answer would be sí, me gustaría ir a tu casa. Perfecto. Let's revise this conditional tense. This wishing tense. Me gustaría. So if we add that ia, that makes this conditional. It's a wishing tense. Me gustaría. And we can also say you would like to. Te gustaría by changing just the pronoun. The verb stays the same. Le gustaría, that means she or he would like to. So if you want to change the person wishing something, we just change the pronoun. Me, I, te, you, le, she or he. So me gustaría. Remember how to say to go? Perfecto. Ir. And we sort of had three different categories. Ir a la bolera. So when the place is feminine, you use a la. Ir al cine, for example. When the place is masculine, you use ir al. And we also learned how to say venir, which is to come. For example, venir a mi casa, in case you are inside the house. Okay? Can you think of any more examples that you could write in a la? So we also learned a la pista de patinaje. Me gustaría ir a la pista de patinaje. Do you remember any more examples with al? We learned a few. Al museo. Me gustaría ir al museo. Al polideportivo. Me gustaría ir al polideportivo. Al parque. Me gustaría ir al parque. Perfecto. Te toca a ti. Now it is your turn to work. Please find this worksheet and folder and complete it during your next lesson. And if you need to watch this video, watch it as many times as you need. Thank you for joining, and I will see you soon. Adios!